Hey everyone, it's Kim, Angeldreamcrafts, and I am here to share with you my a little bit of a haul and my design team package from White Rose Crafts. And I'm so excited because there is some amazing stuff in my DT kit this time, and I have a lot to show you. So I'm going to start with what's here in the center. And first of all, I want to share these two washi tapes with you. They are both Paris themed. You know I love Paris. This one has the Eiffel Tower on it. And it's got some bird cages on it as well, which I love. And it's got a lovely pink color and white and really tiny little flowers. And White Rose Crafts has a really good selection of washi tape in the store, so definitely check that part of the store out, because I don't know if you guys knew, but they definitely have washi tape. So, and this one here is like Parisian postal. I'm just trying to get it started here so I can show you. Whoops, I tore it. Well, that's okay. There we go. So there you can see the tape there. It's like a French postal. I love it. So that's going to be really fun to use in my art journal or on tags or anything. Love, love, love that they have washi tape in their store. And these are some stickers, and I had a project in mind for some of these things that I'm going to be showing you. This is K & Company, and these are like epoxy stickers. How many do you get here? 25 pieces. So I thought that was kind of cool. These would be really nice on a card or in an art journal. And of course you can see friends, dreams, see, joy, smile, love, all the great things that we like to put on our projects, the sentiments. So I thought that was kind of a really fun thing to get. So I got that. And then of course with Valentine's coming up, I do have paper doilies, but I do not have them heart-shaped. Look at this. These are so pretty. I love them. And I've got a project in mind for these as well coming up. So I'm really excited. And you actually get 30 in a package, so it's a really good deal. Love that they're heart-shaped. These ones are by Dovecraft. Yep, Dovecraft. So definitely look in the Dovecraft section. And then this month, well, pardon me, in February, we're going to be featuring the products from Woodware. And this is the stamp set I chose, which is a mermaid. I've been having mermaids on my mind lately, so I thought I would give this stamp set a try, and I'm going to be doing something with this stamp. And it's so adorable. Look at her. Isn't she just the cutest? And then there's bubbles and turtles and fish and a seahorse and shells and some seagrass or whatever you want to call that, and little starfish down here. I just thought this was the cutest little stamp set, so I got that. So that will be for February. And another stamp set I got is by Kelly Creates. And I love the Kelly Creates stamps. These stamp sets are only like a couple of bucks, and I think they're $2.99. And look at all the sentiments you get in here. And these stamp so beautifully. I love them. This one says, make every day count. Today is a new day. Be brave, dream, live a simple life, hope, calm, create, believe, imagine, faith, and surrender. So I really love, I don't think there's, oh, there is more underneath that. Inhale, exhale, and love. Oh, I love that. So there's a lot of stamps on here that you can use. So really good bang for your buck, the Kelly Creates stamp set. And I really like her stamps. I love the scripty feel of them. They're good for backgrounds in art journals. They're nice just to stamp on their own for a sentiment. So I really, really like the Kelly Creates stamps. And I got some stencils, and my last DT I got a creative Couture Creation star stencil, and I loved it because I loved the good quality of the stencil. Let's see if I can open this and share it with you. Oh, it's in two packages. Sorry for the crinkling. But I love these stencils because they're just like, I don't know, they're thin, but they're thick at the same time, which I know makes no sense, but they're a really sturdy stamp. And I love this quatrefoil sort of look to this one. No, that's what it's called, studded quatrefoil. I just love the look of this one. So I got that this month to play with. And again, also being Valentine's, I got this really pretty Clear Scraps heart one. I love the way this looks. Super pretty. And then I also got this one, which I can see me using many, many, many times over and over again in my art journal. It's by Studio Light, and they have quite a few Studio Light stencils in the store at White Rose Crafts, and I have a couple in my cart for my next order. But I loved these flowers. I loved the way that they looked. I thought they were really, really cool. So I'm going to be playing with that in my art journal for sure. So that is those little goodies, and I think I'm going to show you these next. I love the Dress It Up line that White Rose Crafts has in their store, and I kind of went a little crazy this month and got a few of them. This one is called A Stitch in Time, and it has a vintage sewing machine, little scissors, buttons, a little spool, and it even has a little like a ruler measuring tape bow in it. Super cute. I love these, and they're buttons, which is like, I love that idea. I mean, you don't have to use them for buttons. Look at the little needle there. Super cute. So I love that because of course I'm a sewer. And then I got these. Look at how pretty these are, the little sand dollars and the starfish with the pearls. Wouldn't they be pretty on a shabby project? I absolutely love these. And they've got a glitter to them. I don't know if the camera will pick them up, but they're very sparkly. I absolutely love them. And then, of course, I saw these and could not resist because they had my absolute favorite thing. This set's called Decadence, and it has chocolate-covered strawberries in it, which, how adorable are they? And little candies. I thought, okay, that is perfect for Valentine's projects. So I got some of those, and again, they're buttons. Like, so cute, right? And then lastly, I got this one, which is the Micro Valentine Hearts. And these would be cute for texture on something, mixed media, just a little addition on a card, anything. I just thought they were pretty. And I mean, they are kind of Valentine, well, they're called Valentine Collection, but I mean, hearts you can use any time of the year. So I think these would be a cute thing to have. You could even use these in a shaker card. You could throw a few of these in if you made a shaker card. They'd be cute. And White Rose Crafts also has a good selection of charms from scrap berries. And I got a couple of them this month. And these ones, you'll see a theme, I guess, forming here soon. But these ones are the little clamshell with the little pearl inside it. Oh, those ones are stuck. There we go. Hopefully you'll be able to see that. Let me get close there. Aren't they cute? So adorable. So you get, there's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, you get 10 in a package, so that's a good deal. Love those. Probably shouldn't have taken them all out, but hey ho. Let's put those back in, otherwise I will drop them. Okay, and then these I really love. I was super surprised by these because I didn't think they'd be this big, but these are like coins and they're so nice. I love these. They're like the size of a penny, so they're really big. Could you imagine those on like a gypsy wall hanging or a gypsy project of some kind? I absolutely love them. And there's 4, 5, 6, there's 10 of these as well. So I really, really like these. They're so cool. Yeah, they're the same on both sides too. So love those. Okay, so that's those, and then I got some embellishments this time. The White Rose Crafts has some amazing embellishments. They have some Melissa Francis goodies, and these are, I don't know if these have a name, but they're keys anyway. Aren't they adorable? I love this one with the little face on it. Super cute, and then the one with the crown. But these are like white resin pieces, so I thought, oh, those would be so pretty on all kinds of goodies. I love them. Love those. And White Rose Crafts also has lots of Kaisercraft products, and these are two Kaisercraft products I've had my eye on for quite a while. These are the wooden pieces that, I mean, I love these. I've bought these before from different companies. I've never seen one with gears, so I was really happy about that. So my friends who like grunge and steampunk, you should check these out. I love these. But you can also alter the wooden box that they come in, and I have done that before, so you never know, I may do that. They make the cutest little mini shadow boxes. But this one has tons of great gears in it. Look at how fun these are going to be. And then this one is sewing themed, and it has the tiniest little cameo heads. It has dress forms, sewing machine, little frame, bird cages. These ones you can't see, but they're clocks, birds, little lock, and keys. So these are awesome, and there's a bunch of other sets, different kinds as well, so you should definitely check these out. I may be going back to get a couple more of these wooden sets because I love these for embellishments. They're great on any project. In a journal, you know, even these, if you just paint them, they look good on a shabby chic wall hanging, you know. So they're really something that you can use on pretty much any project. So I love those. And then last but not least, I have gotten some flowers this month because I was running low on flowers, and White Rose Crafts has a lot of these packaged flowers, and I love them. So the first ones I got, these are like little spring blossoms. Let me take these ones out to show you. I love these, they're so pretty. Look at these. Super pretty. I got 2 packages of those, and I think you get 12 on a stem, or maybe 2, 4, 6, 8. Oh no, 10, sorry. You get 10 on a stem. But I love these. These are like my favorite little flowers. They're so delicate and pretty. I love them. So I got 2 packages of those. And then of course they have recollections. So let's do the recollections first. And I got this package, which is lots of pinks, of course, to go with the colors of the season we're going into, which is Valentine's and early spring. And this has 48 pieces in it. Lots of really pretty colors of light pink and dark pink. Love these. Great to add to any project. And then this one has 9 pieces, and it's white. And these, again, if you get white, you can spray these any color. They take the sprays beautifully, so you don't have to keep them white, but you know, it's good to have some white in your stash. Love, love, love these. And look at these. I totally fell in love with these. These are from Recollections. There's 6 pieces. Sorry, my husband's on the phone at the moment. You may hear him in the background. I've got, so there's 6 here, and they're in light pink, medium pink, and a darker pink. But look at the centers in these. Aren't they pretty? They're like sort of a mixed media center with sequins and beads and little pearls. Super pretty. So sparkly. I really love those. And then this is another Recollection set. This is a set of 15, and these are in like the chocolates, blacks, tans, beiges colors. I love these. These are like, there's a polka dot one. They're all different sort of patterns on them, but I really like these. I had a set of these a couple of months ago from White Rose Crafts, but it was a different color. But I love them. I use them all up. I love them so much. And then this one, I don't know how many you get in here because, of course, that flower is covering it up. Anyway, you get a lot. That flower will not budge. Let me see if I can open that and find out how many's in here. Seems to be tracked. 24 pieces. My goodness. There we go. 24 pieces, and this is black, tan, and white, and like an ivory in here. So good neutral mix of colors, and they've all got this little flat back pearl center, which I love. So I thought this was a really good set to have in my stash. And White Rose Crafts also has a really good selection of Prima flowers as well. So this one I love. This is 6 pieces, and I'm not sure what collection this is from. La Belle Harbor. That's what it says on the back, Prima. So I'm not sure. La Belle Harbor, it says. But I love the color tones of it. I love the gray. I love the pink. Of course, turquoise blue, and a lovely soft peachy color with a script on it. So those are my flowers I got. I know, amazing, right? These are so beautiful. Love these. Look at how pretty. My shabby friends, you guys. So pretty. So that is my DT package for well, what's left of January and February. So that is going to be all my fun goodies that I get to play with for the next 6 weeks. And I'm really excited to get my hands in here and play with all these yummy goodies. So I hope you guys will go over and check out White Rose Crafts. Of course, the link is in the description box below, and you can go over and check out the store. And I will also put the link to the Facebook group as well. And you guys can check that out as well and come and join us over on the White Rose Crafts gallery on Facebook. Thanks for watching, guys. I will talk to you soon. Bye.